Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Here is Apex Tech Digitals, and today I'll be sharing with you some amazing stuff on how to make money on YouTube before your monetization. So for those of you who are eager to make money on YouTube before monetization, this is good news for you, because today we are going to be sharing 5 proven steps on how you can make money on YouTube. So before we dive in, you want to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so that each time I upload videos like this, you'll be among the first people to get notified. So I'm waiting for you. Please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. All right, let's dive in. So the first one in our list is affiliate marketing. Like you all know, affiliate marketing is not something new any longer. So it's you partnering with some brands, okay, partnering to sell other people's products, and you get a commission for doing that. So as an affiliate, you have an affiliate link, and you drop those links on your YouTube channel on the description and comment section. Drop it on the comment section, you can drop it on the description, and the people that are interested in seeing the products you recommend can equally click on those links and take action, and thereby you're making a sale, and that money will be credited to you. So you see, you're making money before your monetization. All right, the second one in our list is sponsorship and brand deals. Now there are companies that ready to work with you, and you get paid for it. So you can learn how to team up with brands and showcase their stuffs in your videos and contents, and then you get paid for doing that. Then the third one is online courses and ebook. You have a knowledge or a skill that you want to share with the world. There's something inside of you that you want to package together and make it an online course, or package it into an ebook that you can sell out there. Now when you've done this, you link it to maybe you can link it up with seller, where you have a clickable link where you drop these links on your YouTube channel, and people can get in contact with you or click on that link and take action, and thereby you are making some cool cash. More so, the fourth one in our list is consulting or coaching services. You can offer personalized advice and coaching services to your audience. Now, your viewers are looking up to you as an authority, so there's something you've got. Now you are on this space of YouTube, people are looking up to you, people that are watching your content, your videos, and see what you have. So they see you as an authority, and they are looking up to you. So some can come up with needing some special attention, so you can turn this to a coaching service where you guide people on. There are people that these videos on YouTube is not just enough. They will want you to kind of go deeper and learn whatever they want to learn, so they can come in contact with you. So you can turn this to a personalized coaching service, and this can be a side gig for you to make money on YouTube. Next, the last but not the least in our list is freelance work. People can using your skill for hire. Using your skill for hire. That is, there are people you can actually sell your skill. That is, you've got something you're doing, and people need those services, so you can render those services to them, and they pay you for doing that. There are different skills, okay, and this can be based on your channel content. What they see you do on your channel, and they will need that service, okay, so they can get in touch with you, and thereby can make some cool money doing just that. Finally, are you a business owner, content creator, or someone who is looking to earn himself or scale? You want to master the art of video creation? Then I have a well-detailed video course for you, video tutorial, where you can learn how to create simple video ads but superlative video ads for your business, or learn it, to package it, and to sell and make money. And this video course is going for just 10,000 naira, but for today we are discounting it for 7,000 naira if you are ready to grab it. So you just have to jump on this right now. At the end of this video, I'll be playing a sample of the videos so that you get a glimpse of what you'll be expecting in this course. So I'll be leaving the link to my WhatsApp. That is, if you want to connect with me to get this course, then I'll be leaving my WhatsApp link on the description, on the comment section, or on the description anywhere. I'm going to be leaving it so that you can get in touch. So the video course is going for 7,000 naira discounted price. So I would like to know your thoughts on this video, please. This is the only way I know you have watched this video and you got value. Alright friends, so if you have found this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so that each time I drop informations on more content tips like this, you'll be among the first people to be notified by YouTube. So until next time, see you. Keep creating, keep thriving. Love you. Bye.